Hi crafty friends! Today we are making some super cute springtime decorations for our Easter tree using this wooden decoration kit that we got from a charity shop a long time ago, and we're on a mission this year to craft our stash, so we've dug it out and decided to get crafting. Now the paints had dried up a little, so first up we decided to decorate the cute sheep using Cosmic Shimmer fluffy stuff. And this is really cool. It goes on like a thick glue and it comes in this nice little squeezy bottle. But when you apply heat, like magic, it fluffs up and gives the most wonderful texture, and it's great for snow, on Santa's boots, or any texture project, and it was just perfect here for the sheep's fleece. So be careful not to get too close, just gentle heat like you would with embossing powder, and like magic, the fleece for the sheep appears before our eyes. Isn't that fantastic? And have you ever seen fluffy stuff before, or have you used it in a crafty project? Let us know in the comment section below. So I'm just going to fill in the rest of the sheep's body with the fluffy stuff and let the magic happen. It's amazing to watch the change before your eyes as you apply the heat. And as it says, just be careful not to get too close because the white can discolour with the heat. So just keep your heat gun moving gently over your project until you're satisfied with your results. And I think he's looking absolutely adorable. So next up, we've grabbed this metallic watercolour set and a water brush. And we're going to use this beigey colour here to give a little bit more depth to the sheep's face and legs. We really enjoy crafting with these metallic watercolours, and this set we received as a gift in some Happy Mail from, I think, Samantha VI Crafting, and we also won some in a giveaway as well. And you can purchase them from bargain stores, online and other craft retailers as well. And I could definitely say, if you see them, they're worth a purchase as they're super versatile and easy to work with. And the little aqua brushes are just perfect for applying it. So we'll just colour in his little skinny legs here. And as you can see, the fine tip of this water brush is perfect for this. And he's got a little bit more depth to his face. But we've still got that bare wood edge round the outside. So we're going to grab our watercolours again and this time go for a lovely blue shade for the sky, and we're just going to colour around the edges. And luckily the watercolour didn't seep into the fleece. And have you tried these metallic watercolours before? They're so fun, and we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. So let us know if you've been crafting with these as well and what projects you've used them on. So once we've got that beautiful blue sky background, we're going to grab a nice green hue and just fill in the bottom here to represent some grass. So he's chilling on a lovely sunny day in a nice green grass field. And I think he looks 100 times better than when we started. What do you think? So that's the first one nearly finished, our little woolly sheep, all ready for some springtime fun. All that's left now is to make a hanging part, so we can hang him from our Easter tree. So we've grabbed some lovely pale blue ribbon, and a top tip is if your ribbon's a little bit creased, you can just run your hair straighteners through or an iron over it, and it just gives it that lovely neat finish. And we're just going to add a little charm here that says just for you and a bead on top for a closure. And I think this is going to turn out absolutely adorable. So I hope you've liked our first make here, the cute sheep. Next up, we are going to grab the chick on the egg and get upcycling this one too. So this time we've decided to use glitters from our stash and some glue to create a super sparkly Easter tree decoration. and this is a really fun and easy technique. You just put your glue onto whatever section you want to cover with your glitter. Cover it with your glitter, tap off the excess, and then move on to your next section. So we've used a beautiful variety of different textured blues to create our egg. And for the chick itself, we've decided to make it a little spring bluebird, as that's the birds we have chirping around in our garden at the moment. And we're going to give it a beautiful bright yellow belly with some of this chunkier glitter. And this is a great way to use up some of those glitters that you might have left in your crafty stash. And you can create beautiful ombre effects and different patterns with the different glitters that you might have. So here we're using a nice turquoise blue, and for the very top of his head and body we are going to use a darker blue glitter. And it's absolutely beautiful in the sunlight, all the different sparkles. And for our bird's eye we've used a small sparkly black gem. And here is the finished glittery bird. And we've added a few extra gems to the egg for a little bit of depth. I hope you think he looks cute. Next up is the turn of the beautiful bunny, and for this one we've decided to paint it using some metallic acrylic paints and the watercolour paint metallic paints we were using earlier. So we've gave it a base coat with the white metallic acrylic paints that we won in a prize from the lovely Teresa Carboot Crafter, and she's having another giveaway at the moment, so make sure to pop over to her channel to check that out. So we give it 2 coats of the white, and then we're going to use the pale pink metallic watercolour for the nose and a little bit of detail for his cute bunny ears. And this pale pink is just the prettiest spring shade, and it was absolutely lovely to work with. And we also used a little bit of the dark pearl watercolour paint to add some shadow and depth to the bunny's body. And for the bunny's cute little tail, we used a pom-pom from our stash. Next we used this beautiful mint shade just to go round the edge of the bare wood to finish the project off. And this is a beautiful spring shade, and with the metallic touch it just gives a lovely sparkle to the project. Next up we grabbed our crocodile punch and a dusky pink eyelet and pierced that through the top of the ear to give our hanging element. Sealed all our projects with crystal clear protective coat varnish and added some beads for the hanging element. And here you have our fun upcycled wooden Easter hanging decorations. Here's the beautiful bluebird perched upon the sparkly egg. We chose a yellow crackle glass bead and yellow ribbon to make the blue colours pop on this one. Next up is the beautiful pastel bunny, and we've used a mint green ribbon and a pink faceted bead, and there's his little bunny pom-pom tail and black bead eye. And finally our super cute fluffy sheep that we made using the Cosmic Shimmer fluffy stuff. And again he's just got a cute springtime blue bead on top. So what do you think? Do you have a favourite out of the 3 decorations we've made today? I don't know if we could pick. We had so much fun making them, and it was a great use of our crafty stash, and they'll make a great addition to our springtime tree. A huge thank you for watching along today. I hope this has inspired you to make your own springtime decorations. Please like, subscribe and ring that bell, and till next time, happy crafting!